Hello everyone, this is Aimee, your e-commerce growth expert. Today, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through making those perfect bundle choices using our app Bundle Builder. We've split the setup into 5 parts to make sure we cover everything. So first, head over to the app section from your Shopify admin. After installation, you'll see Bundle Builder in your list of apps. Click on it to access the app dashboard. If you haven't installed it yet, simply go to the Shopify App Store and search for Bundle Builder Custom Bundles to install it. Now let's proceed to set up your builder. First, enable the theme helper. After installing the app, there will be a banner telling you to enable the theme helper. Doing this allows our app to work properly on your store. Just click on Enable Theme Helper, which will load your theme editor where the Bundle Builder helper is enabled. All you have to do next is to save the changes. Now let's go back to the Bundle Builder app and click on Create a Bundle. Then give your bundle a name. We'll call this one Gift Box, perfect for those special occasions. Add a bundle title, making sure your bundle is encapsulated in the title. Now under Publish and Redirect, enable Live if you want this bundle to be available for purchase from your online store right away. You can also choose to redirect your customers to the cart or checkout once they're done building their bundle. When it comes to pricing, if you prefer a fixed price for your gift box, you can simply choose that option. However, for this one, we'll let the individual product prices determine the total. If you're looking to set a starting price alongside the item costs, you can also do that here. To customize the look of your bundle, adjust the display settings. For example, enabling Image Lightbox allows customers to enlarge product images by clicking on them. You can also hide out-of-stock products and enable Remember selections so customers' choices are saved even if they leave the store. You can also choose whether to show prices in the Add to Cart button and add a loading GIF, which is a small pop-up message when customers add products to their cart. This assures them that their selection is being processed. Decide whether to show image carousels, formatted descriptions, add bottom text, and show step progress. Think carefully about which options to choose based on your business needs. Next, customize how your builder appears across search engines. Set a title to reflect the bundle's name, associate keywords for accurate matches, and provide a brief yet enticing description of the box. Then create a custom URL for this builder. If you want to tweak the wording in your builder, make the changes right here. Finally, choose the theme your builder will use. The first option is a full-width layout with a fixed bottom pricing bar, displaying only the price. The second option features a fixed right side total with vertical scroll and includes product descriptions and summary details. Once you're done, click on Next to proceed to the steps. The steps play a crucial role in setting up a bundle. Creating well-thought-out steps enhances the customer shopping experience and can lead to increased sales. On this page, we have 4 types of steps: product selection, pre-selected products, form, and content. We'll start with the product selection step. First, for the title, give the step a clear and simple name. Then provide a quick description to let customers know this is where they choose their preferred products to add to their gift box. The step progress title will be shown on the step progress bar. It helps customer understand their current progress. Next, allow customers to choose one product more than once. Enter 1 to indicate its position since this is the first step. You can also change positions later if needed. Check the required step box if you don't want your customers to skip this step. Also adding a minimum and maximum number of items for their gift box. Additionally, choose the Show Bundle Summary option so the customers can review their choices. You can also exclude this step from the progress bar if you want. Then choose if you want each variant of your products to show individually or not. Now, select the products for customers to choose from. You can use collections created in your Shopify admin or select the products manually. We'll choose a collection of chocolates here. Click on Pick Collection and select the one you prefer. Once done, click Add Step. Additionally, you can add an extra step for choosing a variety of desserts. This step is optional, so uncheck the required step option if customers can skip it. By following these steps, you'll have your chocolate and dessert selection process set up smoothly for your customers. Next, incorporate a form to gather additional details about the gift box. Similar to the previous step, input information on these sections. After completing these details, click Add Field to choose the field type. Bundle Builder offers many options for a flexible form step, so here we'll choose the form entry. Then we'll specify the minimum and maximum character length. Assign a field title and set the display order. Click Add Field to establish it as the first form entry. Add a touch of sentiment with the message field. This gives your customers the perfect space to send their heartfelt wishes. Feel free to add more fields if needed. Once satisfied with all the fields, click Add Field to confirm your settings. Now that we've added all the steps that we need, click Save and move on to the next. To make your bundle more enticing, add a fun and unique discount for your customers. To offer a discount, click on Add a Discount and enter the title. Choose in which step the discount is applied, whether it be a specific step or the whole bundle. Next, select the discount type, percentage or fixed amount, and then add the value. Define the trigger conditions to specify when the discount should apply. Then encourage customers to buy more, and decide if this discount can be combined with other promotions. Finally, pick the exact step where the discount should apply. Then save the discount settings and hit the Next button. Now we're on the design step where you can customize how your bundle will look. Here you'll see the bundle preview, lightbox, and loading GIF options. First, the bundle preview shows how your bundle looks as you edit its design. Customize the colors of your product details, progress bar, and total to match your store's theme. With the lightbox feature, customers can click on product images to see them up close and read descriptions. Customize the background and text colors of the lightbox to match your store style. Lastly, if you enable the loading GIF, customers will see a fun animation while their bundle is being created. Choose from different GIFs and customize the colors to make it more appealing. Finally, move on to the summary step. Here you'll find three options: View Product, Copy URL, and View Bundle. Click View Product to be taken to the product created by this builder. Enhance it by adding a product image, description, tags, and other enticing details. Note that editing, adding, or removing variants is not recommended as it could affect the builder's functionality. Copy URL copies the bundle link from the online store. You can add this link anywhere to efficiently showcase the bundle to your customers. View Bundle directs you to the online store page to preview what your customers will experience. So here's the bundle we just created. We have steps 1, 2, and 3. From the chocolate section, add one product and see the encouragement to add 4 more items to avail of the 10% discount we created. Add 4 more chocolates, and the discount applies. Once the customer is done adding products to their gift box, they can click Next. Now we're on step 2, the dessert selection. This is optional, so if they don't want to add more products, they can click Next to go to the message step. Otherwise, they can add more products. In the message step, add the sender's message and the recipient's name. Once complete, click Complete and it will load the builder. Here's the product created. You can see the items listed, the discount, and the message. If you have any questions about this video or any other inquiries, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're here to help and ensure you have the best experience with Bundle Builder.